going shopping today. Just a little bit, because I don't have a lot of money. Yeah, today isn't going to be the best day for the vlog channel, but still, I'll bring you along. Okay, see you soon in the next clip. Okay, bye. I washed my hair with a new shampoo that I got. It's supposed to fade my blue a lot better. Here it is. It's this one. I got this one. I tried it, and this is currently the result. If you've seen the earlier clip, you would have seen that my blue was a lot more pigmented. Now it just looks silver or whatever, but so far I'm liking this shampoo. Like, I seen online that this was apparently shit, but so far I'm liking it. So if it means that I don't have to use a color stripper, that'll be amazing. But yeah, I'll let you know how I find this after using it a couple more times. I'm going to take the pastel blue out so that I can go turquoise. I want to give this color a go. I might go pink next, but I don't know. It all depends how this color looks, if I like it or not. But I love this brand because it's like cruelty free and it's like really good. I love it. It comes out really well of your hair. And sorry about my dog, she's like barking like crazy. But yeah, I can't wait to get the blue out so that I can give this a go, because I really like this color. It looks a little bit greenish, but I'm hoping that it'll go a little bit darker than what it is on this girl, because I want to, like, I was inspired by Nikki DiMartino. She's an American YouTuber. She has mad hair. I love it. But this is what inspired me to give this color a go, because I do want to try this. It looks really good. And also, I bought a few t-shirts today, so let me know if you guys want to see the t-shirts that I bought today. I think I bought like 4, so let me know in the comments or whatever if you even care. I don't know, I only have like 16 subscribers, but let me know if you want to see my t-shirts that I bought, because I can't wait to wear them. They'll look so cute and they're very comfy. Kmart's brought out a few like nicer shirts for like bigger girls at the moment, and I'm really happy about it because they look really nice, and I'm excited to buy more when I have the money eventually. Probably won't be for a while though, because I'm slowly trying to get the money to save up for like my birthday. I'm having like a smallish party, so hopefully that turns out well, because I've never like full on organised my own birthday before. Abby! Hey! Come here! Hello, darling. I can see you. Shake it off. I love you. Warm air. Yes! Woo! Put another load of washing on. Diesel is being a goofball. Aren't you, Diesel? It's now time to make my bed. Not make my bed. Get into bed because I am tired. Hello. Come here. Give me a leg. There you go. I think one's enough. I think one's enough.
Oh my god, they...
Okay, so today was a really chilled out day. I just got food, chilled out at home this vlog, and I just washed my hair with the fading shampoo. Don't know how I feel about it yet, but I don't know. What do you think? Do you guys reckon it's working? I love the little patterns it makes when it like spins. It's mad.